Okay. Halina sila. Hello. Hello.
Alex. Oh!
Our time is
Long time no see.
Ah.
Yeah.
11:17 a.m. Inaabot na sila.
Yeah.
Okay guys.
Hi.
Woo.
Thank you for coming here. Thank you. やった嬉しいわなんか
Okay.
戻ってきた感ある
Why you can know we are here?
Because I'm waiting here.
Wow,
Oh, thank you
so much.
Okay guys, naabot na sila guys. Tuwa rin sila kabuog guys. Pero ang aguban, medyo it's not coming. It's not coming.
Yeah, it's just coming.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yesterday.
Yeah, it's yesterday.
Oh, yes, naabot na sila oh. By the way, and this is Central Riverside is what happened to my river flow in water here in Mananga during Typhoon Tino.
iPhone? Oh. なんつってた
Yes.
Happen? What's happened?
In the floods.
Plus,
Ah.
this week,
ああ、そうなんだ
the typhoon.
あ
We okay?
I'm very okay here. And here, in the Central Riverside is flowing in the water in the house.
your house is okay?
I'm very okay. Very okay.
よかったよかったあそこが
Oh.
After
Kayagan.
cyclone, yeah?
that river over?
Yes.
Yes.
So, buwari sila kabuog guys ha. Buwari sila kabuog kay ang uban wala pa maabot. Pero okay lang.
Yeah, okay ra.
Okay ra.
Kaya nag-abot na sila. Okay. Tara na rin na ron, oh. Abot na sila. By the way, sa din ako mo bye-bye. So, nakita na naman sila dire. Luhar naman sila kabuog. So, ako pasalamatan ninyo yung hatagan ninyo. Okay? So, daghang salamat o maayong buntag kanatong tanan. Okay? Sa dila ko magpa-selfie ninyo. Okay? Bye-bye. God bless you.